In the previous session, we have seen how to allocate the memory dynamically using the function calloc and how to free the memory using function free. This time we'll see the C++ style, that is the pair of new and delete keyword. The new keyword will allocate the memory dynamically and the delete keyword will free the memory. Is it clear? Let us see the syntax. I want to allocate memory space for character type of data. I want to store 20 such data types in the heap memory area, and that is why I return character in a square bracket 20. The new keyword will allocate this much space in the heap memory area, and the starting memory location of this space will be assigned to the character pointer. Is it clear? Well, remaining program is exactly the same. Observe this statement. To free the memory area which we have allocated to the pointer ptr, we'll use this delete keyword. Remember one important point. We have used here square bracket for allocating the space, and that is why while deleting the space from heap memory area, we should use this square bracket and then name of the pointer. Is it clear? Just execute the program up to this step, press F4 key and press Alt F5. You see, we got the same output. Now remember one important point. This new and delete keywords in C++, this is not the alternative arrangement for calloc malloc functions and free function. In addition to the allocation and deallocation of heap memory dynamically, these new and delete keywords can do one more important job in the object-oriented programming using C++. The new keyword of C++ will automatically call the constructor member functions of object, and the delete keyword of your C++ language will automatically call the destructor member function. We'll discuss this issue in detail while discussing classes and object.